Choose a slot to use for this game. Choose the icon you like best. Choose a slot to use for this game. Choose the icon you like best. Choose a slot to use for this game. Choose the icon you like best. Choose a slot to use for this game. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Why not give it a go in the Feed Polly Parrot game? Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. George, Richard Rabbit, Pedro Pony. That's right. Richard Rabbit. That's right. George. That's it. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 silly sentences that Polly says. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Susie Sheep is a red frog.
Susie Sheep is a red frog.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a funny car.
Peppa Pig is a funny car.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a big pumpkin.
Daddy Pig is a big pumpkin.
Try another one. Mummy Pig is a red yo-yo.
Mummy Pig is a red yo-yo.
Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Dot to dot. Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the numbers in the correct order to complete the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done! You've won a sticker. Well done! You're very good at counting. There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. Pedro Pony, Teddy. Pedro Pony. That's right. Danny Dog. Mrs. Duck. Danny Dog. That's it. Mrs. Duck. That's it. Richard Rabbit. Susie Sheep. Teddy. That's right. Richard Rabbit. Super! Susie Sheep. That's excellent. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs.